Hi guys, so अभी रात के 10 बज रहे हैं and I have to leave at 4 in the morning. So I try to prepare for my flight a night prior. I'm done with my bags, like all my bags are packed. I'm done with my dinner and I just want to sleep early because सुबह 3 बजे उठना है and I'm not very good at sleeping early. But let's see what happens and I'll see you in the morning. Hi guys, as you can see, I'm all ready and I'm super late, so I'm going to catch you in a while. Hi guys, I'm in the cab. I'm here to pick another crew. And I couldn't record much in the morning because I was super late. I couldn't sleep till 2. Say hi to my team. Let's go. That's our cab. Sorry. Thank you, sir. Hi, Shweta. How are you? Yeah. वाह, व्यू तो बड़ा सही है. देख. Oh, what is this? So the first thing that we do after coming to our room usually is to order food, and I'm hungry, so let's order food. थाली. थाली के अलावा चाय पिएगी, मैं कॉफी पीऊँगी. Food ordered, और जब तक खाना आता है तब तक I'll go and take shower and get ready to eat. See you in a while. Hi guys, I'm done with shower and all, and जब तक मैं अपने breakfast का wait कर रही हूँ, I thought I'll just come here and do my skincare with you guys. Also, last night I could not sleep properly, like मैंने बोला था that एक तो first of all let me just switch off the TV. So yeah, I was saying कि रात को I couldn't sleep properly because I'm flying after really long, like I think I'm flying after a month, and मुझे रात को लेट सोने की आदत हो गई. Like I sleep around 2:30 and then I wake up at 10:30 or 11 sometimes. So आज मुझे 3 बजे उठना था and I couldn't sleep till 2:30 and then I woke up at 3:30. So I've just slept for an hour and came for the flight. But again, I don't want to sleep right now because tomorrow again I have to wake up at 3, and if I sleep आज दिन में then मैं पूरी रात नहीं सो पाऊंगी. What's wrong with that? So yeah, I was saying कि just let me in the comment section कि what do you guys would have done अगर आप लोग मेरी जगह पे होते. Like you would have slept in the day and then try to sleep at night again, or you would just sleep directly at night. Because if I sleep अभी दिन में, I am pretty sure that I cannot sleep at night, and then मेरा again पूरा sleep cycle की लग चुकी है. So usually whenever I'm on a layover, I prefer to have South Indian breakfast because वो बहुत ही safe option होता है, light होता है, healthy होता है. But today we did not have that option. So I'm some pav, bhaji, some watermelon juice, and these are eggs for my roommate. Had my breakfast, and to be very honest, this wasn't the best breakfast I've had. So yeah, quite disappointed. But on the other note, I just wanted to update you that I have to sleep. I can't open my eyes. And right now it's 10:30, so I think I'll take a nap for 2 hours, hopefully, and I wake up at 1, 12:30, 1ish, and then I have my lunch. See you then. Hi guys, it's what, 2, around 2:30, and I just woke up. I should have woken up at like what, 1, but I couldn't. As you can see, my face is still swollen and I still need to sleep. But it was a good idea to wake up and have lunch, and lunch is also here, so let's eat. तो अभी अराउंड 8:30 बज रहे हैं एंड वी आर प्लानिंग टू गो आउट लाइक ऐसे ही थोड़े राउंड्स मारने के लिए, वॉक भी हो जाएगी. एंड अभी तक वी वर जस्ट वॉचिंग सम शोज ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स एंड जस्ट चिलिंग ऑन अ बेड. सो इट वॉज हाई टाइम कि हम लोग अपने बेड से उठ के थोड़ा मूव करें. ऑल्सो बिकॉज हमारा लेओवर सिर्फ लाइक दोनों दिन अर्ली मॉर्निंग था, तो हम लोग लेकर नहीं आए अपने फुटवेयर. एंड दिस इज़ वॉट आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर क्रू मेम्बर्स, लाइक लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन अगर आप लोग भी ऐसा करते हो. बट हम लोग ऐसे जाने वाले हैं ये पहनकर बाहर. ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट योर मास्क. आउटफिट चेक.
Confused between this one or this one. I think I'll take this one.
So yeah, we came back to our room because इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी थी कि वहाँ पे खड़े होकर आप कुछ भी नहीं खा सकते. And all the restaurants and everything were closed. So we went to 24/7 and picked up some momos and yeah, something to drink. So we wanna chill.
Hot. This one is like super good, yeah. It's called Fruitoria, and if you guys see somewhere at 24/7, please give it a try. Loved it.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a nice comment. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.